what is Hannah's work? It is
a ball. We can still make a nest. Oh no, it's breaking. Oh, oh!
Oh my gosh!
Art is temporary, everyone. Art is temporary.
Okay. Okay, today is day 3 in Hilton Head, and we were gonna go to a different island on this ferry, but my sister's actually a little sick, so we're gonna try to do that later in the week. But now Hannah and I are going to the hot tub, and it's actually like 60 degrees and it's a little cold, so it's gonna be nice.
It's not 60, it's like 55.
Okay, it's like 55, but it just makes it better. Are you so happy?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're at the beach, my favorite place.
The favoriteest place. This is called Follyfield Beach, and we are here without our family because they're a bit slow, but they'll be joining us in a little bit. But the sun came out and there's no rain today, so it's gonna be a good time. Honestly, it's not that warm, so... Okay, honestly, it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. Tell them the story. Hannah, tell me a story about a seagull that you just told me. One time.
I gave some food to a seagull, even though Jarrett said don't do it, Hannah. And I did it, and then they all started to come after me. It's really scary. I didn't have any more food for it.
It was a huge mistake, so
Yeah,
we shall not do it again.
I won't. Why do we don't even have food right now?
We do.
They don't want clementine.
I think they eat literally anything.
Well.
I have made a sculpture in the sand, and I'm going to show it to you guys, and it's really my greatest work ever, to be honest. He has an eye patch because he has, what is it called? Which is double vision, and not because I didn't feel like doing the other eye.
Now look at my work.
Okay, what is Hannah's work? It is
A ball.
I thought it was an egg.
No, I couldn't shape it because it's falling apart. It needs a little bit more water. We can still make a nest. Oh no, it's breaking. Oh, oh!
Oh my gosh!
Art is temporary, everyone. Art is temporary.
Okay. What is it? It's a jellyfish.
Does it need help?
Oh no, I think touching a jellyfish would be a very bad idea.
Well, I know, but should we just bring some water over and splash it on it?
It's probably dead. Someone tell us what kind of jellyfish this is.
I want to touch it so bad.
Hannah, do not touch it. That would be a bad idea. That would be a bad idea. Remember when Jared said don't feed the seagulls? Similarly, let's not touch this jellyfish and have some regrets later. Hannah's trying to get water from the ocean. You're great. She literally was just saying, my jacket might fall into the ocean, and that's my greatest fear, and I would be very sad. Well, we've made a second ball. What do you say about this ball, Hannah?
Art is permanent. Art is permanent.
Tell me about this piece.
Okay, well, it's a ball, and you can move it. And
Okay.
Art is temporary! Art is temporary!
Oh my god.
Temporary. That was also part of the art install. That was supposed to happen.
Well, my sculpture has also been destroyed, sort of accidentally, when I lay down on my towel. So I like both messages. Wow, look at my parents.
Can you believe what happened just now? Sarah goes, look, they're fine. They're riding the bike. And quite literally, as she said those words, I saw them fall off the bike. I'm serious.
How is that going?
What?
We're making a sandcastle.
Stop talking. No, she stole that from a little girl.
I did not steal it. What happened is that there's a beach toy borrow bin over there, and you can just take them, and then you play with them, and then you return them. So, yes. Wow, we found another jellyfish.
Guys, it is still alive. Absolutely, it's still alive.
How do you know that, Mom?
It still looks so wet.
Trying to tandem bicycle with my brother, and it's extremely difficult. Look at this bike. We're supposed to do it back to the resort. Okay, let's do it
right now. You ready? Go. Stop behind you.
Okay, no.
You have to tell everyone what you're doing, okay? Whatever you're doing in the front, whatever you have to communicate.
Okay, I have no footage of us biking because it was actually kind of difficult and there was no hands for filming, but we did it and we're back at the resort. My brother's already walking over there without me.